This animal steals babies. Not for food, not for survival, but for something much stranger. Female monkeys have been seen taking babies from others, even from other mothers. At first, it looks like care. Carrying them, protecting them, like it's their own. But then, something changes. They don't always know how to care for them. And sometimes, the baby doesn't survive. Scientists still don't fully understand why. Some say it's instinct. Others say it's something we don't fully understand yet.